In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a subpage in Notion. If you're a Notion user, you know how crucial it can be to link pages for seamless navigation and efficiency. So, let's dive right into this process. Starting from your Notion homepage, you need to locate the subpage you want to link. It's important to have a clear idea of which subpage you are trying to link to. Ensure you're directing users to the correct destination. Once you've found this subpage, go ahead and open it. Here, you'll notice 3 dots located in the top right corner of the page. This is your key to accessing more options. Click on these 3 dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, select the Copy Link option. This action copies the direct URL of your subpage, a crucial step for linking it elsewhere within Notion. Keep in mind that having this link ready is what makes the next steps possible. Next, navigate to the main page where you want your subpage to be linked. This part is pretty straightforward if you're familiar with navigating within Notion. Once there, you'll want to use the inline command by typing a /. Type in "mention a page" right after the slash. This command allows you to create a link to another page within your Notion workspace. When you type "mention a page," you'll see an option pop up that says, "Just that." Click on it, and you'll be presented with all available pages and subpages in your workspace. This feature is an efficient way to ensure that you're linking to the correct subpage without hassle. Now, you've got 2 options. You can either select the subpage from the list provided, or if you want to be extra certain that you're linking correctly, you could paste the subpage link you copied earlier. Simply press Ctrl or Command-V to paste your subpage link directly into your document. Finally, after you've pasted the link, hit Enter or click on Mention to solidify this link. There you have it. Now, you have successfully created a link to a subpage within your Notion document. This linking process not only streamlines accessibility, but also helps in maintaining an organized workspace where information is linked and easily retrievable. So, by following these simple steps, you can easily link subpages within your Notion workspace, making navigation smoother and your workflow more efficient. Whether you're managing a project, compiling research, or simply keeping track of your thoughts, linking subpages can make a world of difference. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.